Ollama versus LM Studio, which one is better? So here is a clear comparison of both based on performance, ease of use, customization, and user cases. So basically, Ollama is a lightweight command line based tool designed for developers and advanced users who want to run large language models locally with full control. It supports GGUF models such as LLAMA, Mistral, and Phi, and is known for its extremely easy setup, often requiring just a single line of command to get started. Ollama excels in efficiency, low resource uses, and scriptability, making it a great choice for users who want to integrate LLMS into applications, automate tasks, or experiment with prompt engineering. In 2025, Ollama introduced new features like on device fine tuning in beta, model chaining, running multiple LMS together, and GPU optimized performances, particularly for macOS and Linux. However, its command line interface can be intimidating for beginners or users who prefer visual tools. Now, on the other hand, LM Studio is a GUI based desktop application that also runs LLMs locally but with a strong focus on user experience. It is ideal for beginners, educators, and those who want to explore models without needing programming knowledge. LM Studio allows users to easily download and switch between models via a visual interface, supports prompt templates, and includes helpful features like token counters, history logs, and drag and drop model loading. In 2025, LM Studio expanded its functionality to support more model types and introduced multimodal management and a playground for testing prompts. While it may use more system resources than Ollama due to its graphical interface, it provides a much more approachable experience for non developers. In conclusion, if you prefer speed, flexibility, and developer-oriented tool, Ollama is the better choice. But if you are looking for an initiative visual interface to explore and test local AI models without needing coding skills, then LM Studio is the way to go. Both tools work fully offline and support a wide range of local models, so the best option largely depends on whether you prefer the command line or graphical user interface. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.